So this is the Laser World India website. We have logged in with the URL and the given credentials, username, password. Now here we are going to see how to add a product or edit a product. So we'll go to products. We'll select add new product. Here we'll see how to add a new product. Here we'll give a product name. Right. So let's say we'll give a product name as sample product for Laser World. Right, so this is a product name. Now we need to give a product information, so that is a product description. First we'll type the product name sample product for Laser World, right, and we'll give the product information, that is a product description. Let's say we'll give as this is just a sample product or demo product for website. Now we need to give a category for the product, so let's scroll. On the right hand side we have product categories. So let's say we have some categories which are already existing, for example hair removal series, laser, others, skin rejuvenation, slimming series, etc. Now if you want to add a new category, we'll click on add new category. We'll give the category name, right, and we'll hit enter. So a new category will be added and in that same category product will be posted. But for this example, we'll take existing category hair removal series. Now, if we go to inventory, we need to check that it is in stock, right? Now here we'll select the image of the product. So set product image, we can upload or select from existing media library. Let's say we'll select for this product this image, right? We want to add some extra images for the product. So we'll go to product gallery, add product gallery images. We'll click on add product gallery images. We can select from existing media library or we can upload using the upload files from laptop or computer. We'll select files and upload it, but here we'll select from media library. So let's say I'll select this product image. I'll add one more image. So add image, I'll select this add. Right, so images are added, product information is added, categories chosen, and inventory of the product is also in stock. Right now, so this is the product name with description, right, what is the information of the product or technical specifications. Now in order to upload on the website, we'll just publish, click on the publish button. So the product has been published on our website. In order to view the product, we'll right click on the URL. So right click, open link in new tab, and we can verify our product on the website. So this is the product loading on our website, right? You can see this is our product. This is a main product image, right? We have another product images, right, which we uploaded in the product gallery. This is the product name, right? This is the category of the product, category hair removal series, correct? Now we'll scroll down. We'll see the description of the product. This is the product name and the description or the information of the product, right? Now in order to check the categories of the products, so we'll click on products. Here our products will be displayed category wise, right? So we'll select from left hand side, we'll select the category of our product, hair removal series. So at present there are 5 products. We'll click on hair removal series. So we can see all the 5 products. Right, the last is our sample product which we added now, right? Now let's say we want to delete this product, right? So from this category, so we'll go to our admin panel, right? So scroll down, right? We can delete from here or we go to all products. So the products list is replicated. We'll move to trash. So the product will be deleted from this list. Right, so the product is deleted. I'll go to the website, we'll refresh it. So now the product is no longer available on our website, and from category also it is removed. Now still the product is not deleted, it is in trash. So we'll go to trash. We'll delete the product permanently, right? So there is a delete permanent button. We'll delete permanently, and the product is not recoverable henceforth. It will be deleted permanently, right? Let's say now you want to edit a product, right? So we are on the list. Let's say we want to edit painless diode laser product. So we'll click on edit. So the product is displayed. Here we can add we can edit anything. We can change the product name, we can change the description, we can change the category, we can have 2 categories also. We can go to inventory and we can change out of stock or on back order. So back order means we take the order from the customer and we give the order to our supplier, so he delivers our product and we deliver to the customer. That is back order. We can select in stock or out of stock also. So I'll leave it as it is. We can change the product image, we can add or change product gallery images, right? So this is how we can modify our product. After making any changes, whatever are required, right, we need to click the update button. So until unless we haven't clicked the update button, the product changes will not be updated on the website. And for by chance you haven't clicked on the update button and you close the window, all the changes done will be reversed, right? So you need to click on the update button after making any changes. So this is how we can add, delete or edit a product on our website. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.